Imagine this: the wind gently carries the scent of fresh pine. The distant mountains are kissed by low-hanging clouds, and the vibrant green of the Highlands stretches as far as the eye can see. Now, picture yourself right in the middle of this serene landscape, living in a home that feels like a retreat every single day. Welcome to the world of Highland Retreat Barndominium design, where rustic charm meets the comforts of modern living. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it's a simple way to show your love for these incredible designs. This barndominium isn't just a structure, it's an experience, a sanctuary carved out of the wild beauty of nature.